We're solving problem 15 from the 2021 AMC 12A. A choir director must select a group of singers from among his 6 tenors and 8 basses. The only requirements are that the difference between the number of tenors and basses must be a multiple of 4, and the group must have at least one singer. Let n be the number of different groups that could be selected. What is the remainder when n is divided by 100? So let's first consider what it says. 6 tenors, 8 basses. We know that the difference between tenors and basses has to be a multiple of 4, and the group must have at least one singer. So in other words, T tenors is congruent to basses mod 4. And the number of tenors and basses are made in a way such that there is no way that there's 0 tenors and 0 basses. So we have this. Now if we consider the case where there's the basses left out, right, that are not selected, called a B prime. B prime is equal to 8 minus B. So B is equal to 8 minus B prime. Therefore, we want to consider this case too. So T is congruent to 8 minus B prime mod 4, right? This means that T and 8 minus B prime cannot have a pair such that this is 0, 0. If you add the B prime to the other side, this is T plus B prime is congruent to 0 mod 4. So this shows that this pair also doesn't work, that T and B prime cannot have a pair in a way that this is 0 and 8. Now let's consider if we have the sum of T and B prime basses. They're the values of, they can have 0, 4, 8, or 12 people, correct? Or in this case, the difference. So we want to now consider n. N is, in a way, a number such that this is 14, because that's the total number of people. 14 choose 0 is this first case of 0. Add 14, choose 4. And then you add, well, this would be 14 choose 8 from the 8 people. But from here we know that T and B prime cannot be in a way such that there's 0 tenors and 8 basses, so we have to subtract one case. And then you sum 14 choose 12. This is going to be a huge number, but once you figure all of this out by meticulously adding this up, this will be 4,095. If n is 4,095, that means our number n is congruent to 95 mod 100, aka the remainder, once you divide by 100. Therefore, 95 is our answer for this problem.